committee 6. Committee 6. Udru Presby Mission House opposite wana ehwa na yewo. Me pa cho school ya to ho work kese pa. Obani uremo a ompie bio. Uremo agise ya pon.
Okay. All right. Now, sisi ane me husa Brako School for Alberta han say. That's right. Anana yamma. Yamma. Na papa, ele jama ne de no.
O mo ga so mu ni ba hanti. O mo am diagro. Okay. O mo am diagro.
Matias here. And ya menya nti yes mo wo nyumbi ma school no right. The school's song. Okay. Nti ya be hye dwumedi asi de. Yamfa school ne nyom and shase. Ready? Go.
We are the children of BSC of Akim Oda. We are the children of BSC. Oh, BSC. Clap your hands for the director of teachers. For the DES. Oh, BSC.
Na mufia de le fidie lo ba blasting ni la ba Brako School Complex esuku for ela mote wo mun kalebusi ajibadi Rabna Catering and Bakery Service aso yasne Blue Luxury and Home Decor aso yasne Ghana be ye bookshop Fizzles Juice Hub so aso yasne and Jekel's Enterprise omo no maso yasne say yemfa dwumedie embeso mo dwumedie yidin yamma ene yendachi aha eye community 103.3 FM ti ade poem no ba be hyehyɛ so omo mbeka poem wo perfume omo ka anwensem eno na eba eno ene didi so a eba nti ebusua eya na watime kuchu ede amame yamma ene yendachi dwumedie ebra so a yebebie phone lines ama wa wo fie no nso wonso waka nya wo waka send ye wo shamo friend crying say wo comment about what they did and I be bia mu no yebebie phone lines na ma na kire say wonso waba ebusia yama ani yenda chidwumedie eye Brako School Complex for ana ye ni wo mu edi dwuma and ye poem na and na ye de shasi poem and ye de shasi nti say mofra no are ready there and the first person to give us the poem obaba wenim wo beba mic no na wakasegu mu kama yentie wu
is the greatest by Abraham Lincoln. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest by Benjamin Franklin. Be the change you wish to see in the world by Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.
Welcome. Why are dear pa? Why are dear? Moment samano. Okay. Next person.
My name is Richmond Kujo.
Boko Yanko.
My name is Richmond Kujo. I am 5 years old.
Okay.
I attend school at Brako School Complex. The name of my poem is School. School is a special place where I learn new things. I have friends. We study different subjects together. In the classroom, there are desks, chairs, and a whiteboard where the teacher writes. We read books, solve math problems, and draw pictures. During break time, we play games in the schoolyard. School is fun because I get to discover and explore many exciting ideas from my classmates and teachers. Thank you.
Welcome. Yaman. Why are dear pa? Why are dear? And they're not next person.
Je m'appelle Adelaide Coconate. Je fréquente Brako School Complex. J'ai parlé notre nation, le Ghana, terre d'or et de fierté, où de cultures diverses côte à côte. L'étoile noire brille en symbole audacieux. Force, Équateur, nous tenons unis, main dans la main. Ghana, notre nation, notre terre bien aimée. Merci.
Yaman. Okay, yantwaso.
My name is Ibrahim Mubarak. I attend school at Brako School Complex. I am the one coming to translate the French poem.
Okay.
Ghana, land of gold and pride, where diverse cultures side by side. The black star shine a symbol bold. Strength and heart of gold. We stand united hand in hand. Ghana, our nation, our beloved land. Thank you.
Welcome. Why are there? Yes, next person. Why never? Uncle.
Me Quuquah School Complex. My sama me beke. Matune din se Akyem kwanana me fi Akyem enti me wo apem mecha ubi efisa me fi chebi na imo meja ubi dibi asie baby na dachi bi me dibi asusu bribi ya fra me Akyem kwa menya ajenkwa enti mintu me maonkwa na imo manum ensa mankwa enti mame kwa na mentra o okwa enkofo sa me fi enkwatia na mabet na akwatia nansu wonim se me nana muetia enti memu won enimtia me preche tre on my enti na ya fra me ochema michi ade sai enti me shwa manonsa kuntun kunun kunana abrewa dokua nana esabna bremu nana midindi Akyem kwanana medamwase.
Wow. Hey, why are there? And the DJ homework is so the show. Come on, pa. Ebusia, aha, community 103.3 FM. Yama. Any and that jumedie and na wasuguswa wutie yama any and that jumedie na wasuguswa wutie Brako School Complex in Kola and na wamo wahana dawa be no within the ashonko one home we did 2 years our nursery 1 ni din aye Caleb Reko it's Caleb so why ready ya maninko let's go.
Bless our hona kana in our nation is ancient. Oh, so I care for heaven and go for you very high. Our nation, she's very high. I want this, I must have it that one.
Oh.
Thank you.
Welcome. Wow. And Caleb, why are there? Caleb, did 2 years. Hey, Caleb, did 2 years. Our nursery 1. Brako School Complex in Mofra. Brako School Complex in Mofra. And I would say, okay, you see a higher community. 103.3 FM. Jekyll's Enterprise. I saw my snake. Rabina Catering and Bakery Service. I saw my snake. Ghana Bay Yearbook Shop. Blue Luxury and Home Decor. And that Fizzles Juice Hub. Yeah, twice so Mofrana Egusu Ewahani Musei. Mofrani Gusu Waha. Now, Omo Bay or Mo Beka Bible quotation. Omo Bay or Mo Beka Bible quotation. Intino Diodi Ho, why na Shasia? Una Shasia. Okay, and before Bible quotation, no, another 2 years old girl, Alvina Ejapoma, our nursery 1, was also Babe Mayen, the Lord's Prayer. As I was asking, Alvina Yanko. Wow.
My school name is Brako School Complex. The Lord's Prayer. Ata, ya de toka, ya obitana, asisi lefe, 5 sisters, how I tell you, but I forgive for our trespasses, I should forgive those who trespass against us, and you want to take them busy, but you fall from evil. For thy is the little, the power and the glory, forever and ever, amen.
Forever and ever, amen. 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 And no, Avina, a Japoma, 2-year-old big girl or nursery 1. It's a Brako School Complex in Mofra and a Wahe, you do quotation, no so, mommy, Yanko.
My name is my birthday. I attend school at Brako School Complex. My memory verse is Ephesians 6 verse 1-2. So in the Lord for the Christ, honor your father and mother. For this is the first commandment with the promise. Amen.
Wow. Amen. Next.
Slembusha. The school attends Brako School Complex. My memory verse are Psalm 23. The Lord shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in the path of righteousness. For his name's sake, yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I'll fear no evil, for thou art with me. My rod and my staff and comfort me. Thou prepares a table before the presence of my enemies. Thou anointed my head with oil. My cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me. All the days of my life I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believe in him should not perish but have everlasting life. Amen.
Amen. Why are there? Next.
Medini di Lawrence ni Aje Mali. Because school of Brako School Complex. Me yi mkoteshi wa Maritu asempati ni chichomu sonko sinwotwe. Inshirani mobronfu. Inshirani 1 hour kumemti 1 obehu onyankopon. Amen.
Amen. Why are there? Moments. If I'm a child, one more mudi ho, young cobra.
My name is Kwabna Archery Animapia. I am 4 years old. I am in KG1. The name of my school is Brako School Complex. Functions of the internal part of the body. The brain helps us to think. The lungs help us to breathe in and out very well. The liver helps us to remove pathogens from the blood. The large intestine remove waste food from the body. Thank you.
Well done. My
name is Audrey Bush. My school name is Brako School Complex. Festivals and your people, Odra, Akropong, Hobechocha, and Awache, Winiba, Omawa, Gans, Kundu Mezema, Komne, Laura, Bakaterina, Apo, Techima, Keta Fashion Game, Kot Asafutu Fadambe, Adai Asante. Thank you.
Well done. Yamusam.
My name is Darren.
Yanko.
My name is Darren Jebedia. My school name is Brako School Complex. Roman numerals. I stand for 1. I stand for 2. I stand for 3. I stand for 4. V stand for 5. V I stand for 6. V I stand for 7. V I stand for 8. I X stand for 9. X stand for 10. Numerals and their number name. ZERO 0 ONE 1 TWO 2 THRE 3 FOUR 4 FIVE 5 SIX 6 SEVEN 7 EIGHT 8 NINE 9 TEN 10. Thank you.
Well done.
My name is
Yanko Bra.
My name is Bright Manfo Amboff. I attend school at Brako School Complex. I am in class 1. Independence Day. God independence. On this March 1957, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah led Ghana to independence. Ghana remember the day on every 6th March. School children and workers march throughout Ghana. It's a holiday in the country. The names of the big six: Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Obi Chebi Lamte, William Mofori Atta, J. Dankwa, Abu A.J., Edward Ekufu-Addo, Director Capital, Oti Region Dambai, Bunu East, Techima, for Region Yani, North East, Nanarigu, Sabah, Dango, Western North, Setrio, Region Takradi, Water, Greater Eastern Region Kofoidi, Asante Region Kumasi, Central Cape Coast, Northern Region Tamale, Upper East, Bongatanga, Upper West. Wow, thank you.
Well done, well done, well done, well done. Ebusia Brako School Complex in Kola and Namote Womonka no Dramika no Brabako Ebeka quotation. Brapeni, what's a minka my uncle? Ready, go.
My name is Yaren Kansa Ampafo. My school name is Brako School Complex. My quotation is John 10:30. I and my father are one. Amen.
Amen. Ebusia Brako School Complex in Mofra, and I would say woman K Yama. Any and that you medie and that was supposed to be. Aha. Hey, show us what you've got. Brela segment no any. Show us what you've got. Brela segment no any. Show us what you've got. Brela segment no any. Eti no ane me mofre betina say e de amame. Aha. Eye brela for no. One more my dream abob bio. Aha na we di be hu say Brako School Complex mofra bo ma ben. They be bisa questions. They be bisa questions. And the questions, those are questions of Sroko. Yes, just I'm afraid. Or move to me answer. And I said, woman to me answer. Into end year, minya bisa. Wamwa natural so woman to me answer. Ni who say Brako School Complex in Mofra. Wamo yade papa. Omo yade papa. Omo yade. Yabusia community 103.3 FM. And I'm asuguswa wuti. You stream me live on Facebook and the Quuquah Facebook I know about community 103.3 FM. Ubehu ye in live. But freya make us all me brele and question be maybe say bia wo mu betwai. Aha ubehu wo mu feed gadochi. Okwa like comment na sa share FM mame Brako School Complex. Ebusi ayama any and that you medie and I was to go so with a Rabna catering and bakery service, Fizzles Juice Hub, Blue Luxury and Home Decor, Ghana Beye and at Jekyll's Enterprise. And na omo aso yasne si efa dwumedie embeso mu meka se dwumedie ba wa kwemu mimne da bia right from 4 p.m. edi kosi 6 p.m. ebebo dwumedie yi eba wa kwemu mimne da bia right from 4 edi kosi 6 p.m. ebebo ya mofra na aye ready ya mofra no aye ready enti mu bebo mu din bra Mr. Tiefu so bo din a no a share me class a owo.
My name is Manuel Taylor Olamti. I'm in class 5.
Good.
My says I am in class 4.
Okay, next. Okay, welcome. Why? Welcome. Good. Thank you, Ampa. Ebusia Brako School in Mofrano and on my big PMU ewo hanse segment we me see baby say bisa one more questions into the end year. Wow, we be channel na me who say we ye brela pa we ye brela into yan starting fee ya for maths in chassis and I'm say, are you ready for mathematics?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your pens with you?
Yes.
Good. Into the maths no and na chassis ye the mathematics no na chassis and I must say yes.
Yes.
Over for yes. Okay. And the fa governance in chassis. current affairs. Yɛfa current affairs and Shasie. Why? Okay. It's Emmanuel and also the say Adepa and our sister
Jessica.
Manuel Adepa Jessica. Na mo nyina mo class ahe. What class ahe?
5.
And now
5.
And so that is a 5 for you. 4 back, right?
Yes, madam.
Okay. And they're not yet the shishaso. Former president of Ghana. Nadine Edison. Yes, Adepa.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Former president of Ghana. Nadine Edison. Okay. And they're not former president of Ghana. Nadine Ede. His Excellency Nana Ado Dankwa Ekufu Ado. His Excellency Nana Ado Dankwa Ekufu Ado. And then ne vice near friend is saying. In fact, the vice did the same. Former vice president of Ghana, Nadine Ede saying.
Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia.
Yes, Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia. Why are they? Remember some mamo. Okay. Eti ebusia yegusua at the segment so we are questioning and answering segment and don't know. Coat of arms. Why not a designer here? Who designed the coat of arms? Manuel and why?
Amon Kote.
Mr. Amon Kote. Okay, yes, so. Sanya Jumekuo biawo omumoto no. Ghana nso yeso ye omoto ni bi. Samunim sa.
Yes,
Yo, me bi some question am answer. Ai, samunim sa Ghana wo moto.
Yes, madam.
Okay. And then Ghana moto eye den Adepa.
Freedom and justice.
Good, freedom and justice. Okay, yes, so. Ghana's first Prime Minister is called Jessica. Ghana's first Prime Minister. And he didn't say
Dr. Kwame Nkrumah.
Good, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. My dear. Yetwa yejumedie no so. Yetwa so. Ghana National Anthem. Who composed it? Who composed the national anthem? Adepa.
Philip Beho.
Good, Philip. And then now why the design your Ghana flag no? Who designed the Ghana flag? Yes, Manuel.
Madam Salome Theodosia Oko.
Okay. Madam Theodosia Salome Oko. No. And your way. Which Ghanaian served as the 7th Secretary General of the United Nations for 10 years? Ghana ni bang and our choir Secretary General our United Nations for if you pari do. What is his name? Who is answering? Yes, Jessica.
Dr. Kofi Annan.
Good. Okay. And then na yegusu etwaso. How many regions are there in Ghana? Adepa?
16 regions.
You are correct. My dear. Yes, what yejumedie no so. The tallest mountain in Ghana. Mountain. The tallest mountain in Ghana. Mountain. Why? Yes, Manuel.
Mountain Afajatu.
You are right. Okay. Yetwa yejumedie no so. And then na mema acronym way. Then there ma bie mama me. My example be to say AU. Because AU ya den ya. Your name say den African Union. Good. Into sa papa na ye be continue. But acronym na no watch them dey chere. What you say?
Yes, madam.
Okay. GES. Eye den GES. Eye ebade Jessica. GES ya den
Ghana Education School.
Okay. When everyone? Yes, Manuel.
Ghana Education Service.
You are right. GS Ghana Education Service. And then that GFA baze. Yes, Adepa.
Ghana Football Association.
You are right. Ghana Football Association. Ghana Football Association. And then NADMO. 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 What's the full meaning of NADMO? Who is answering? Manuel, try.
National.
Yes.
Disaster. Disaster.
Okay.
Management. Organization.
Repeat yourself.
National Disaster Management Organization.
You are right. Me better NADMO for baha or more koha. We name NADMO full name no. Ena just a branty akachre yen kama eno ena wakachre yen kama me de bako beka ho BOJ yes Jessica.
Bank of Ghana.
You are right. Bank of Ghana. BOJ no and then na EC abadze EC Jessica, you're answering my questions too much. EC, work together. EC. I'm asking Adepa baby. Adepa, Eden.
Electoral Commission.
You are right. Electoral Commission. And then that me bisa question way. Say EC Electoral Commission. The Electoral Commission ya brofo. Me pesa mechanic chia. Then na minka. How do I pronounce Electoral Commission in chief? Who is answering? Manuel.
Abattoir Mensi.
Debbie. Enya Abattoir Mensi. Yes. Adepa.
Abattoir Commission. And I say Abattoir aswe ye nini na kan hu bi. You guys are doing so well. Clap for yourself. Moments. Sa pepe enetie. Who is the second president in the Fourth Republic of Ghana? Who is the second president in the Fourth Republic of Ghana? Who is the second president in the Fourth Republic of Ghana? He was the same president as at 7th January 2001. He was the same president as at 7th January 2001. So he doubles as the second president in the Fourth Republic of Ghana. Who is he? Yes, Adepa. John Ejekun Kufuor.
Again?
John Ejekun Kufuor.
You are right. My day. And then Ghana and Canadian for Ghana saying. Ghana was formerly known as Jessica.
Gold Coast.
You are right. Gold Coast. My last question, Hanum say, when did Ghana become independent? When did Ghana become independent? I want the date. Yes, Manuel.
6th March 1957.
You are right. More bomoding. Yenfi current affairs Hanum say na yenko yenimu nti yenfa spelling bee and shishaso yenfa spelling bee shishaso fast kra your first word accomplish. Who is spelling the word accomplish? Yes, Adepa. Accomplish.
ACOMPLISH. Accomplish.
You are right. Okay, you are spelling the word sincerely. Manuel.
Sincerely.
Okay.
You
are wrong. Sincerely. Who is spelling? Yes, Jessica.
Sincerely. SCER.
You are wrong, Jessica. Sincerely, who is spelling sincerely? Montomobo. Sincerely. To be sincere. Plus Lee. Matthias here. It's Montomobo. Now I'm spelling the EJ. Yes, Adepa. Spell sincerely for me.
Sincerely. SINCERLE.
Okay, you guys are wrong. Sincerely is being spelled SINCERELY. RELY. That's the correct spelling for sincerely. Yet was so. Marvelous. Who is spelling? Manuel, try. Marvelous.
Marvelous. MARVELOUS. Marvelous.
You are right. Okay. Decision. Who is spelling decision? Adepa.
Decision. DCISION. Decision.
You are right. Our next word is laughter. Jessica.
Laughter. LAT.
You are wrong. Laughter, please. Yes, Manuel.
Laughter. LAUGHTER. Laughter.
You are right. Okay, yeah, it was so. Imagination. Yes, Jessica. Imagination.
Imagination.
That's correct. That's right. Recommendation. Who is spelling recommendation? Adepa.
Recommendation. RECOMEND.
You are wrong. Recommendation. Manuel.
Recommendation. RECCOM.
You are wrong. Jessica, try.
Recommendation. RECOMEND.
You guys are wrong. Recommendation. So I'm expecting a double letter in the middle there. RECOMENDATION. The correct spelling for recommendation. Spell quietly for me. Quietly. Yes, Adepa.
Quietly. QUITY. Quietly.
Take your time and spell. Jessica, help her.
Quietly. QUIETLY. Quietly.
That's correct. Our final word is exploration. Exploration. Who is spelling? Yes, Jessica.
Exploration. Exploration.
Okay. Yeah, to us. Yeah, questions and answer tag. It's in the first question. O can it in positive or answer in positive. Was okroya was answer in negative. Mami. Matthias, yeah.
Yes, madam.
Are you feeling nervous about this program? The answer will be maybe positive and a negative. Jessica, try.
Yeah. No, I'm not.
Mombansem. It's a mucha man which and I'm small be why. Okay. Are you planning a trip during the holidays? I'm not. Okay, Manuel.
Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Good. Okay. Yet Waso. Have you thought about what you want to be when you grow up? Have you thought about what you want to be when you grow up? Who is answering? Adepa baby.
Yes, I have. No, I haven't.
Good. And then my final question from this angle. Do you prefer traveling by plane or train? 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 Where trickish munji. Do you prefer traveling by plane or train? Adepa.
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Please, you didn't understand my question. Me say, do you prefer traveling by plane or train? This is so simple that you shouldn't think far. Do you prefer, because I've given you two things, plane or train? Do you prefer traveling by plane or train? Yes, Manuel.
Yes, I have.
Oh, Charlie. Yes, Jessica.
Yes, I am.
I wasn't specific. So I'm asking you, choose between plane or train. So you just say, I prefer train or I prefer plane. Simple like that. It's a simple question. As a wife, I am hot. It's would you So do you prefer traveling by plane or train? The answer should have been I prefer train or I prefer plane. Do you understand?
Yes, madam.
Okay. It's after able to me the word of the day no abba. Our word of the day. The word of the day is partnership. Partnership. Manuel, spell partnership.
Partnership. P-A-R-T-N-E-R-S-H-I-P. Partnership.
Correct. That's correct. Yamansa man. Partnership means assessing. Partnership. What does it mean? Yes, Adepa.
It means business agreement between two or more people to work together.
Okay, that's correct. Yes, Manuel. Another
Partnership.
definition?
Partnership is an agreement between two people.
You are right, Jessica.
And partnership is an agreement.
It's an agreement. So it's a formal agreement between two or more parties to either work together or achieve a common goal or objectives. Correct. Okay, so we are forming 10 words from the word partnership. It will be a 3, 9. And the emphasis is 9. It's may start here for Jessica. So your first word.
Sharpener.
Spell sharpener.
Sharpener. S-H-A-R-P-N-E-R. Sharpener.
You are right, Adepa.
Pest.
Spell.
P-E-S-T. Pest.
Sure, Manuel.
Perhaps.
Okay.
P-E-R-H-A-P-S. Perhaps.
Yes, Jessica.
Partner. P-A-R-T-N-E-R. Partner.
Okay, so your first word was sharpener, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, Adepa.
Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship.
Okay, Manuel.
Spine. S-P-I-N-E. Spine.
That's correct. Jessica.
Spit. S-H-I-T. Spit.
What?
Spit. S-H-I-T.
Spell spit.
Spit. S-P-I-T. Spit.
Good. Hey, sister. You're steady. Yes, baby. Adepa. Okay, Manuel, the last one.
10. T-E-N. 10.
Hey. Afe, you be forming a sentence each. using the word partnership, a sentence each. Into Mr. Free Adepa.
Yesterday, my teacher taught me about partnership.
That's correct. Yes, Manuel.
I want to know more about partnership.
That's true. Jessica.
Define partnership.
That's it. All right. Yeah, koyenim. Yamfa chi abebuo meshem. Yamfa abebuo meshem na kyerɛ sɛ yɛnto ase nti meka ebe na wato ame so. Meka si baby na mato ame so. Mate ase
Yes, madam.
Okay. Obi akono de ne. Yes, Manuel.
Odomponso no.
Anu no a. Mombansam. Sa pepe. Okay, yes waso. Abua oni duano. Yes, Jessica.
Nyame na plan ho.
Nyame na plan ho ampa. Mombansam money energy ninja ha. What you say? Aha. Yes waso. Se bibi ankoka papa. Bibi ankoka papa. Yes, Manuel.
Anje shishiro.
Anje dia. Shishiro. Obi beti bi aboa no. Anje dia.
Anje chichiro.
Jessica ka bi ne hwe. Anje den.
Anje chechire.
Anje chire de. And I know that you children, all the same, yeah, to us so. Boyfriend, yes, Adepa.
And a badass,
yeah. Okay. In Satya Nina. Yes, Jessica.
Enya
pampa. Obi nimua. Yes, Manuel.
Obi chere.
Mama some. Okay. Abofra hunu ne sahohra. Sabofra uhu sahohra. Abofra hunu ne sahohra. Yes, Adepa.
Oni
penifo ne didie yama same. Okay. Yawo to esie so a. Ya wo to esie so a. Manuel.
Won chat tenten ye.
Metisa na muka bibi na mo se dey. Okay. Ya must know. All right. Etia wo nyonko ho a. Etia wo yonko ho a. Will you try, Manuel? Will you try? Okay, madam, what's your home? Okay, me pam chomusho menimo ha. Etia wo yonko ho a. Okay, and then na etua wo nyonko ho a etua dwem mate ase mo fa ntum kotokom. Okay, ma me fa mienu bi ensem free hanum say ayonko grunti na okoto. Yes, Manuel.
Enye tre
ina fusem free. It's last one near sorry if we had the so prior so we baako a nebu wo kabomu a na se we da makani na mabo. Yes, Adepa. Embu. Okay. It's yet was so. Yeah, the ICT network so. What is the brain of a computer? Computer na adwene. Abade. Yes, Adepa. CPU ni full name yeden. Adepa krona.
Central Processing Unit.
My dear. Okay, yeah, it was so. So me person me connecting my device to a computer. What do I need? Yes, Manuel.
Router.
Internet. David Tobo. Me say, if I want to connect a device to the internet, what do I need?
Wi-Fi.
Or
Router.
you're not pronouncing it well for me. Jessica, what's it then?
Browser.
Browser. Okay. What else? What am I supposed to get?
Router.
What?
Router.
Okay. So router, modem, nini naka hubi. It's router, okay? Yeah, it was so. What is the program used to create document? If I want to create a document on my machine, on my computer, what program do I need? Yes, Jessica.
Word
processor. Okay. Email. What's an email? What's an email? What's an email? Email nakasa ebade. Yes man no.
Electronic.
No cray electronic. Nemo yade. What is email? Email yade. How do you understand email? Yes, Adepa.
Madam, email is a code.
It's a code. Are you sure? Okay, so email is a system for sending and receiving electronic messages. Okay? Okay?
Yes, madam.
All right. So what is a password? A password. Somebody. And now, me the password to my phone. So me the password to computer. So you can password yes, Manuel.
Password is a lock. It's a security lock we put on our phone.
Okay. Any other definition?
Or computer.
Sure. Any other definition? Okay. So he is right. It's a secret word or phrase used to access a computer or online. So why do we put a password on our devices? Why? Yes, Manuel.
To keep your computer safe from thieves.
Okay, Jessica, why?
To keep your phone safe from thieves.
But that's what Manuel said. Yes, Adepa. Why do you put password on your phone? Yes, Jessica again.
So that people will not steal your phone easily.
Okay. Yes, Adepa.
So that people cannot get access to your phone.
You are right. Okay, yeah, it was so ICT. Standing for the ICT. Yes, Adepa.
Information, communication, and technology.
You are right. RAM. RAM. Yes, Manuel.
Read only memory. Random access memory.
RAM.
Random access memory.
Okay. So when you RAM, there's so who RAM. RAM your day. Yes, Jessica.
Read only memory.
You are right. So my final question here. SIM. SIM. Yes, Adepa.
Subscriber identity model.
Okay. Say it well.
Subscriber identity model.
Okay. What are you coming to say, Jessica? Obakale. I'm listening. Yanko. Me too.
I thought you were telling Adepa that what she's saying, she's not saying it well.
Okay. So repeat the correct thing for us. Yetio.
Subscriber identity model.
All right. I know. What's down? Me too.
Subscriber identity model.
Okay, subscriber identity model. Okay, module. Meka way wo brofuma. O de beko twi, meka wo twi ma de beko brofuma me. Mate ase.
Yes, madam.
Makoma swade. Yes, Jessica.
My heart desire.
My heart's desire, that's right. Hunger. Yes, Manuel.
Akom.
June. Bosomi June. The month June. Ni chidi ya den. Yes, Jessica.
Aya home
Again?
Aya home
Enu ano no edi kura sododo. Enu ano ya basam. Meti dompe. Ne brafo ye dey. Meti dompe. Yes, Manuel.
My backbone.
Your backbone. Let's clap. You're awesome. Okay. And they're not green. Green. Color green. Yes, Jessica.
Ahaban.
Green. Yes, Adepa.
Ahaban fuflo.
No. Ahaban. You're awesome. Ahaban mono. And they're not about just several fooding the same. Manuel.
Beard.
Good. Beard. Yeah, twaso. Yanko ha. Samika so be a swording. I said just saying. Waswording. Manuel waswording. Pass. Yes, just saying. Yes, Manuel.
Stubborn.
Oh, you're stubborn. You can't be bia why was today ti waso de no nensawa obi nsawa le e chese ni pa ko no why dey an yes ade pa
Thief.
oh yeah thief ni can say the tree ni say
Grandfo.
okay yeah twaso eti me kase nano yatro oh yeah dey yes Manuel
Truffle.
oh your trophy and I say yes Jessica
Kokonsani.
and I say adepa onto me mfa asam nsie ni tiremu me ka se metwe waso ana obi ntwe naso ase a kire sen yes Jessica
Punish him or her.
that's right my idea my idea it's quickly yembora science ya be French so timonya ready and yanko French me ka ne brofo abe ka no French mu me ka ne French abe ka no brofo okay
Yes, madam.
s'il vous plaît monsieur permettez-moi de sortir me pe s'il vous plaît ase a chere se wo brofo s'il vous plaît nkwana mi po s'il vous plaît yes Manuel
Please.
Yamasem moya French it's the abora French no matter as here
Yes, madam.
okay it's make a goodbye ka French bu mama goodbye yes Jessica
Au revoir.
Moyade and you're not thank you me pele French yes Adepa
Merci.
you are right it's me person me ka thank you so much say thank you your mercy dear thank you so much yes Adepa okay Jessica okay Manuel merci beaucoup okay etino me my mother and now the emphasis say madam kwa me pe mother French din na mom in answering no put the article in front for me mother or answer for article no brain ni mu mami na me who say you really understand the feminine and masculine articles in French eti mother den yes Manuel
La mer.
Yamasem la mer and the na mother abadia yanko father Adepa father den yes Jessica
Le père.
pedia or best sorry original in Naso. We put crowd of the Montana. No, mommy. 1 to 10 in French. 1 to 10. Ade pa yanko. Yanko. Dabian sorry. Kasa yanko.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. My idea. Sameka, comma, va, tu. Comma, va, tu. What am I trying to say in English? Yes, Jessica.
What is your name?
You are wrong. Comment vas-tu? Yes, Adepa.
How are you?
How are you? Yabasamo. And then now, comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? Yes, Jessica.
What is your name?
So answer the question for me.
Je m'appelle Jessica Amo.
That's right. Yabasam. And then you free gala. All the same. It's my last question. What had to say? My last question. What had to say? I want my friend or friend. The name friend. The word friend in French. So if your friend is a female, or a male is where you're doing friend. Yes, Manuel. Try. Madame for me, Madame for. Oh, French we can't say. Madame for French we are. Okay. Enti Adam for Lami. Into a bema, a bear L apostrophe or your bar with the E back home. What you say?
Yes, madam.
Okay, every French, name science. Na yam fudge media nombra ne yeah. So my first science question is, what is photosynthesis? Yes, Manuel.
Photosynthesis is the process plants use to prepare their own food.
Okay, or yes, Adepa.
Photosynthesis is the process whereby plants use sunlight to prepare their own food.
Okay, Jessica or Bibika?
No, please.
Okay. How many bones are there in the human skeleton? How many bones are there in the human skeleton? Yes, Jessica.
106.
That's wrong. Yes, Manuel.
306.
That's wrong. Yes, Adepa.
208.
No, Jessica.
206.
That's right. 206. Okay, yeah, Twaso. So the largest organ in the human body is, yes, Jessica.
Skin.
It's the skin. Okay. Yeah, Twaso. A force that opposes motion between two surfaces. A force that opposes the motion between two surfaces. A force obeying. Yes, Adepa.
Friction.
That's right. Young boy somewhere. Okay. Yeah, Twaso. The largest planet in our solar system is there. Yes, Manuel.
Jupiter.
Okay. Solution. Meka say ade a me ye my solution of substances. Obviously, I want you to explain what solution is. Yes, Adepa. What is a solution?
Solution is the process whereby solution is when we mix two or more substances to mix completely.
Kaniye tobo na kaniye. And I'm no bebuano.
Solution is when two substances mix completely.
Okay, so a solution is a mixture of two or more substances where one substance is dissolved in the other. It's by me example. Example, yes.
Sugar solution.
Tobo. Mitie.
Sugar and water solution.
Good. So solution there. Melting. Me can't melting. What do I mean? Yes, Manuel, talk.
Melting is when a solid substance changes into a liquid.
You are right. You are right. Yeah, to us so. Evaporation. Evaporation. What is evaporation? Yes, Manu. Debbie, my mom, Manu, do. Adepa. What's evaporation?
Evaporation is the process whereby water evaporates into
you are using the same word in there. Jessica, what's evaporation?
Evaporation is the process whereby water condenses into the sky, clouds.
Evaporation is the process when Manuel.
Evaporation is when water change into vapor, goes into the sky.
No. Evaporation is the process where liquid or water changes into gas or vapor. No, we travels. Never be how to associate allow their question. What I said is simple. Now call him. What is a cell? What is a cell? What is a cell? What is a cell? Yes, Jessica. Jessica, meet you.
Cell is the basic need of human beings.
Hey, Debbie, Adepa,
Cell is the basic need of the body.
No, Manuel. Basically, they are correct. They are basically.
Cell is the basic need.
Cell is the basic unit of life. It's the basic unit of life. Ebusia moyade. Yamba sama wo mu biom. Yamba sama wo mo. My idea. Mami bisa question baku mienu bi wo cabinet ni mu ministers ni mu na kire se yemfansi na drama no enkoso na yemfansi na drama na enkoso mepe Minister of Education din. Yes, Manuel.
Honorable Haruna Idrisu.
You are right. Okay. And then a Minister for Gender, Children and Social Protection. Nadine de Saint Jessica.
Miss Agnes Momolate.
Miss Honorable Agnes na Momo Latte and your Momo why. Okay, it's last one. Mommy, Minister of Energy and Green Transition. Minister for Energy and Green Transition. Yes, Adepa.
Honorable Atoforson.
Oh, there be. Yes.
Honorable Abu Jinapod.
Exactly. Honorable John Abdullahi Jinapod. Ebusia Brako School in Mofra and the new Mudi Mawamaya. Yes, I'm on some moment. You must. I can't mathematics all. A master said to be quenja ho. You better I be won't be yes, be quenja ho. It's the Mamma questions me no our mat not young fancy what Hanum say. Are you guys ready?
Yes, madam.
Are you sure?
Yes, madam.
What is the area of a triangle with a base 5 centimeters and height 6 centimeters? What is the area of a triangle with a base 5 centimeters and height 6 centimeters? Waiting. Ebusia Yama. Any and that you made the Masugusu Amuti, a higher community 103.3 FM. Kayo, we're streaming live on Facebook. We're streaming live on Facebook. It's a Wako Facebook community 103.3 FM. But we are live. Hey, Ebusia. Me answer ya there. Young Quay. Yes. The answer. Yes, Jessica.
30 centimeters.
No, that's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. That is wrong.
Unless you use 2. Yes. Okay.
First of all, formula for finding area of a triangle. Formula for finding area of a triangle. Yes, Mano.
Half of base times height.
Sure, that's correct. So just fix it inside and give me the answer. Okay. Okay, all right, that's fine. Yama, any and that you made. You see a Brako School Complex in Mofra. Maths near per se, and ya fast near your mass, so I say we see yen time. No man, I'm in pen paper. Half of the base times height. And a question over here. Okay, the answer is
15 centimeters.
You are wrong. It's true, say 15. But and yes, centimeters. You are finding the area. While finding area. Oh, Debbie. More finding area. Your answer should be in what? Centimeters squared. Yay. Ebusia. Centimeters squared. Why? Okay?
Yes, madam.
All right. So add 1/4 to 2/4. Add the mammy is here. Bear saying. 1/4 plus 2/4. This is a simple mathematics. The fractions involved are like fractions. So it's so simple, right? So the answer is yes.
3 out of 2.
Oh, brah. 1/4 plus 2/4. The answer is okay. The answer is 3/4. You must somehow my idea. You must somehow. It's here the drama no, and na ebe shisha so yeah the drama no, and ebe shisha so nti ebusia ya no mawie. Why my idea? You must somehow mu bi my idea. Okay, ebusia Arabna Catering and Bakery Service, Fizzles Juice Hub, Blue Luxury and Home Decor, Ghana Bay Bookshop, and na Afage Kells Enterprise, and na Asop Mas. Ebusia, mo sorry, another drama for Nimbra. Why?
The title of the drama is Child. There was a boy who was condemned to death by for becoming an armed robber. As a result of pampering given to him by the mother when he was young. Here is a short drama of a courtesy based on that story. Thank you.
Coach Ra. This is case number 001. Kwesi Mensah. If Kwesi Mensah is here, may he come into the may the prosecutor the charges.
My lord, these are case on 20th October 2020. The police at Oda now were informed of an armed robbery nearby. We rushed to the scene and saw the accused, Kwesi, severely beaten by a mob. They would have killed him if he had not arrived there on time. We learned that a gang of 600 robbers had attacked house number 10, Rokoto Street. Rokoto Street Quarter Stop. They shot and killed 5 of the inmates. However, luck was not on their side, so they were caught.
Where are the other culprits?
They are still in the custody because they do not have lawyers to defend them.
Who is counsel for the accused?
I am his counsel, my lord.
What do you have to say in defense of your client?
My lord, my client blames his mother for his bad conduct. He has concerned that they robbed the people from. They had to kill the victim because they have recognized them and mentioned their names.
Kwesi, you have heard the charges yourself. Are you guilty or not guilty?
Guilty with explanation, my lord.
What explanation do you have?
My lord, my mother sitting there is to be blamed for my bad character. When I was young, she never corrected me anytime I did something wrong. Anytime my daddy corrected or beat me, she would quarrel with my daddy. My daddy stopped correcting me and I was happy and misbehaved them more. Finally, I became an armed robber.
People now roam the country freely. According to the records, you have killed many people, but always run away. Now the law has caught up with you. For one of the jury, is the accused person guilty or not guilty?
Your Honor, the jury finds the accused person guilty of murder.
Kwesi, you have been found guilty of murder by the court that tried you. Now your punishment is death by hanging. May the Lord have mercy on your soul.
Please, may I say farewell to my mother?
Wait, he has written my ears, so
This serves you right.
Wait, he has
not
written
trained
my
you to follow the correct
He has
path.
written my ears, so wait, he has written my ears. Wait,
Everyone is happy except Kwesi's mother, who is crying and screaming. Thank you.
Okay, that is fine. That is fine. It's me, Kwesi.
My name is Quuquah Amakujo. I am Kwesi's mother.
Yo, Kwesi mra, na Kwesi mame emra. Ni bisa asem. Modama na mo ye no mo say title den over pampering. Na chese ma jeje Kwesi so ama na ye den. Asay apra tete apansa menye sa.
Yes, madam.
Okay, it's winni Kwesi mame.
Yes, madam.
Na Kwesi nie.
Yes, madam.
Kwesi aye bone wa ye armed robbery, right?
Yes, madam.
Na ye den akọ court. Na court say yanko hange no. Na Kwesi ka say ne mame na tete no jeje ne so bro so. And nunti and nam so amana say akodu some pempes we. Am I right?
Yes, madam.
Good. And then na Kwesi mame e wo ya mame bone.
Pasha denti na me mame bone.
Wo ya mame bone free say e ba ne say na wonko ade wutumi pampa wo ba ejeje wo ba so a kosi say wasay apratete apansamo. Adenti na ye ne sa.
Pasha na me free say me jeje ne su bebre na kosi ni ye nsan kosi ni ye.
Now the audience so say we dream say wo jeje ne so. Okay, now Bible can say you spare the rod, you spoil the child, don't want it.
Pasha mete pa.
Ote ye.
Pasha.
Enti wonim sa na de na ma abada ho na abrante yi epro.
Pasha na me dream say ne papa bona na ebia na okopra na se.
Enti na te say na ne papa try so be correct no na we kuri adwuma mu say won pene. Sa na te ye.
Pasha.
Ah yo because all do oba ne dodo. Oba so agege ne so na ntirim ye ne de.
Pasha.
Kwesi edu impempenso oben na hu say o mame wo say o.
That's 6 years old.
6 years now utumi hu say o mame say o.
Pacha.
That is that time no hu papa ne bone right.
Pacha.
Enti wo hu papa ne bone a hu say mame yade a wo ye say mi. Ade na wan twe wo hu afiri ho.
Pacha na me den say no na.
Na
ya me de.
Na ya o de. So ya jeje wo so.
Pacha.
Wa bra hu say ya bone na ya o de.
Pacha.
Okay, mate. And then pamcho munko machi emfa mame. Mene Reverend Happy Anyama Anyana Reverend Happy Anyana baba chichen komo kakra bi ansa na ye bie phone lines no ama etiefo abebo. Mmofra yi ye kira on be ye title over pampering say mame na jeje Kwesi so ama na bro so ama edum pempenso bi ye na hwe ye Kwesi agensa musisi a enti asem na kopie court ama court say ye koku Kwesi na de me den say Kwesi be kono ka ne maame aso say ne maame na aye maame me ma akaba
yeah nia
ya boko de
ya me ado
ye da se pa so je pin ye se obeba na woni yen abehye nyansa ni nimdi anyame de adom nyame hirawo
amen unshrauns
amen me pa cho ye kire ya ye meyi be ye mami bisa from this angle mami na wo pampa ne ba no wo jeje ne ba ne so no oya bani bi wo ho
ese se sabio nimdi a me mani no ema oyera
okay
mame no oye bone ba ono ankasa no wen
okay
senia na oye no eye bone
okay
eye se oye ne ba na mana danso oye ne ba no mana sombo
okay
oye ma obi ehun se ne ba som ne bo
okay
but wanya ne the right way
okay
ene ma eye bone
okay intina onim se be ko wie sa ka wanye
dabi
okay na sana nikunu de agya ohun be bia be kwa kodu intina wo te akola no so still na ma me ehura gina mu so o ma be ma ne te akola no eno so
ze nipa na medical ka kiro se wonim dia ade a wo ye bia no wo ni se eye papa
reverend say o dey fa ni say no onim but at least no be wo ho a why ready so be te akola no so still wa makwan oye ni who si akwan was a correction ni mu
mama you can say be say if you think education is expensive try ignorance okay. Mama obia wase ne bosi ne kete say o ya de no na oni hunim de no utu bebre wo ho a utu ne fa onfa
okay
uchira ne kwampa na onfa age wakopem na obepem so na akachi
na akachi
nti omum padisua
okay
ebi ni kwese maame onsua de mfiri ne etwa ne ho ahia no na mo ne onim nko ano pese wo ye
bibi say so wate we your bible say when you spare the rod you spoil the child wate ano ka dem say wate so onim hunim de
no nya na adwen se obesua
okay yambra kwesi side kwesi so ohun say ne maame say no as at 6 years right enti obi sa na ohun say ne maame say no as at that age no sanka yes onko no so sabi onyame adom obi anya sa ne nimdi anama enti onko no so ma ne nyansa enya adwuma kakra sabi
eye ni ama mienu ze eye me maame
okay
enkwala ji o maame di chen obi ha enti eye me maame enti ni ono ye no onim se enye in society no it is not accepted
okay
but wo ne se ne maame aka se ye ne de ene na ebeboa no ene ma oyesa
ene ma ne yesa okay enti na say awofo ewofi a wo mo over pampa wo mo ma ase impo papafo ne sori kra se wo mo tia wo ma no ma be ye osi akwa wo mu no efutu obe na ade ma wo
efutu amede ma oni se adwumadi a mudi eye good eye pa eye nkyerɛkyerɛ se awofo ne tie no mo fa ebebo ene yango ma entena mo ho afebo eti se wo ba na wa makwan ama na anya society fit and I say one fit into the society na okoba bia ontimi ntena
okay
etore bi nso a okoba bia ohun ni pe twa ne ho ahya nyina so omonye eso na eye ntiti ya wo de man no
okay
eti mesre se obatan bi atete ne ba on hwe se ba bi ote no akwala no ni ya ekoso wo ho a eye papa ayesua de bobra no ode ne ba ne befem enti sa sabi ebia no wawu agya no ho
okay
no wa makola nani aye ne ya ebedu sabre no na ginsam te sakwasi de on sakwasi so wonimu eso no ginsa ne ne ma me ye na ya papa
after all bible class di wo na ni wajani
very good into otie ne ma enti ebe mepese awofo ebetie se asem we na omde to omhofo
okay
na ne omoye omomabia enya emma society na na se kura wo mu bro no awote so asori awo mu suku awo mu adwuma awo mu no empe no obesesa wakwan
okay
sane ebe ya uba no onu nko akogina baabi okodu nipa mu a wa nanso kwambo ne so
okay
mama ebi wo ho a nipa bi wo ho a woni ne ko hya wa adwuma mu a otimi hu se ntitiya pa de oni bi eso behwem no ma metena ase che
okay
anti abata no ana de ba ko nso ni se sisi ano nia ya ma menom de titi yen na yenyina yetimi ediye yetimi hye ye ho so ebo ye mbra no ye mpese ye de titi ye ma
ye mpese ye de betiti ye ma
ye mpese de nyame asam titi ye ma
ye hu say omo ye computer babies Gen Zs
ena na ese ya de no ena human right
ane
edidi ye ntrim
sa
but yenim nyame ansa na human right
eba sure
ena yanka se kona kokumu ba na mo bible say kira abofra okwan obefa so na wonyi a wonfiri ho eti efin eneyi koi me pa cho ade bi a wode yawo ba wo hwa emwa akwala ne da ache no emfanye no na ekokokokoko a ebebu abebo on se kwesi awie ye no ne ma me no ka na so on se wan ka ne papa so ne ma me no ka na so kire se wo na wodua eti wo na wo betwa eti titi ni ye na wo nso wa betwa ne so abapa
sa pepepe na ya fa le se me ye kan se kwesi papa me ya papa me ya se me tia me ba na me yere asori abegina mu me as papa no me nye den
mama in Ghanaian society eja na oba
okay
se eja no opesa utia oba na oyere mpene a ewo kwa mienu pe ni edi kan won se kwasi na onim se ne mame ye no no enye
sa
enka eye satam no eye papa na sedie se otwe kwasi ben no
okay
na ochira kwasi se kwasi on se uko school no say ana una fofo ye say ana teacher ye say nia wo mame ya wi wonim se enye kwasi anka that time 6 years obeka chene se ane enti kwasi makwan na mintia
okay
na dachi odi abobra kwasi ye ya kama mene na bedi
you know because obeje say ono na wajeje ne ba ne so a ono no pe na asem more
ana se papa no so ebemu ana okasa ye ana kwasi esi ni ya komo mienu so enya omoba
okay
eti se ba ne sa menkwele men titin tena koso atia oba
okay
ebedu bebe no anka first time akwasi ko wi ade a eba samna ne mame esusoso ka hono kra yes tapping point I say papa ni bam
okay
ebeka se kwasi suwo hu ni o mame ye wo no baby akọwie o ebegu wani mu asekese eti fi na koyi no sisan wakwan ba mi hwa kwasi papa nso edu bebe no oti dai ye to so mienu ayawo ana wo yere na wo ba no eti anadwo kukuwa mo no ayesa oto yere no fo
okay
se ye mienu ne yawo ya makwan na ya ntete abofra no na wo me be ware wo no ya tetewo enti na ma be ware wo eti no makwan ya ntete wo ba no na ono nso dachi onya yere nware na onya adwuma nye na ne wo ya ne de bebia ne ho a obetimi ayede atena no ne yere ntam na komo adi nkomo ama oba na tene ho ase se oba na tene ho ase a ebi omo wo ferifo bi omo mienu nkotena nanim na onche ni se ye ba no ne oye no no dachi ebe hayen omo sofo kra nko betimi de akoni nche anu de anka okowie se ya kwese papa wonni asem na se wankasa na se kowie se ya bebo wonsu udin o
aka ho se na oti ho na ye nhwe haima de a yesi ekọ sa
very good
okay
eti papa no wo sa akwanya mienu we na ode tentene akwam
okay
na nyina achi se mame ne still went ya ene ni ebesi no
ebenyesi o ma say omoba
na papa no why wa fam de
okay
na se wanya wa fam de bible say ni awohwema enkofo de bone no Romans chapter 1 verse 30 ekono
okay
say ye tua bone ho ka ono nso ye betua ne ka bi
okay
it is a we hwe han no say ya enti we take all these steps and still oyire na antiase a ehun asotwe ba ehun afobuo ba ebi nkan
ehun asotwe ba ehun fabuo ba ebi enkan ebusia a higher community 103.3 FM ye be phone lines na no 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222 Mrs. Subiem 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222 ebusia otemenka ya ma
mejoso
obeje me so say any endachi. Yamma.
Any endachi.
Yo, me pacho yeti o within ni baby akase free.
Me doing the Patricana in Casasi at Kumasi.
Okay, yeti o papa.
Program na moya e private wapa.
Sa pepepe.
Maybe can and Quano I had papa. And then you're talking, you know, pray no more, and so no. Obi biara otie biara the first asem sebe aba. Wait say enkwara no oni maame no mo na se enkwara ni bi ye asode na be ma no e ka. Oba no be makwan na waka. Make us a many evening na the tea, and wherever one must be enkwara ni bi ye bone na me ka me yire en so enga se minyaka me don ase.
Yes, so yeah, that's a pie. Busia yamba obeje me so say.
Bacho, it's me very well.
Yo, yamba obeje so say any endachi.
Bacho, any endachi.
Yo, yankwa.
Because and Canada, my bed, or my idea, pa. Or my idea, and so some crack it to a school, do class 5. No more to never be idea, say, I saw your nipa. Now, Gamma no so more, and so you near the same, I'm more about time to say. The BIA papa for yes or more time crano. But as a who say or more air time, crana or more pen cranason. Into the BIA, when you did crana papa, no was so bonaman, yes, say anything cranayan. On canchen, of his of donny bananas or penny banason. Sadi we and the 18 and Passay in with the infant to your hopeful. Na dani deri na ya makwan na menwa no so emrem se be ya dachi bi ne be wi nkunu bi ama ye nyina na me show teachers na obi bia ya da maso.
Yes, so ya da se pa ebusia ya ma
ani ya dachi
me pa cho din de se na ka se fi hin
me pa cho ya frame honorable apadi.
Okay
Because I feel consistent
Mate
man mame.
Okay
Enemy
mama yeti
papa makujo. And so, Nakumani no. Now, school, I found a school, a Brako School Complex with us. Mr. Malcolm, man, no frank or frank, I will be by me. Hey, who no come up no more in here to say. From a child, damn mine. Wow, Ben, your Brako, no pap, so to Tony Capa, what say? Who is too bad time? Panebra Brako.
Yo.
Panebra Hopa, near Super Papa.
Okay, me da se pa. Ebusia 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222. Okay. Ebusia temenka yamma.
Ene yendache.
Yo, mi pacho yeti wa.
Pacho, your friend Felix. It would read the moon feature up enemy butu. They only say, yes, you may do medium media, Namianum Ukraine, a seni. Na, in Kebe Pese, results on Kamuni Betujana, Yehu, the Udi kind, and the Dotosum, you know, any Dotosum Yansa. Said a baby set and go for some crying. Nami busa say moyano schools man na say mana boko random ma pick schools no
ipache school bia ka hu bi ankrankre ene aban school fo ni na ka hu bi nti school bia bebe bi why
na yesere wona wo ton wadie ni na so onfo njadie embeso program ya se de be ya ebetimi akoso
sa pepe
abo ama oda mine Eastern region mine etimi etumpon ama ye mofrey because mofrey in omabo mo modern papa
sa yeda se brapeni yeda se nyami enshrawo ebusia otiminka ya ma.
Hello.
Yes, ya ma.
Oh, I need a dog.
Me pacho within the Senaka.
Yes, from me, I married. Did you not from me article? Miss Rafi come to say.
Article, me too.
Yo, yeah, that must say any program, Modia Bay. Program, yeah, Modia Bay, dear. Then my mano, I dream with you, even though we do Saturday, Nathan Colano, episode Mokochi, crying on programming. Obia, that's none radio, no much ye, no more dear, yeah, a futusem, no more day about Omobra, that's Yadamase, Quuquah Amakujo, oh, Mamma Fiana, Casayo, Quuquah, why are the parents my? Your mommy is speaking. Moya, the Omobra for a mocha, Messi, I am a Yasamo, more straight in a good fight for pet, and a great sister, and come a sister, nka me de me baba ne ba hobi ba or edu stage 5 nti me bon pa se enu na si ade na nka mwasi se ni JHS na oba na supani na ba hobi
okay
ma se omo jumedi a modi ade man kwala na kwala no sunya bi edi tu omo hofu ya da ma nyame isra mo onka mo kokko mama fia ni rich my brother.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. It was yeah, okay. 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222. Ebusia temenka ya ma.
Ana yenda ate.
Me pacho din de sana ka se fi
me ka se fi Kumasi me ba ni Michelle ana manro o ma ya de papa nti e teacher for ni se o mo nko fa enye ye ma no sa ma ye na da bi o mo ka se teacher for aketia wo shiro en sha aketia ne bi o no ma na wo asasi su had mu ya nti ma bye bye.
Yes, so yeah, that's it pa. Ebusia ya ma. Okay, 0551. Okay, 0551 683333. Hello. Oh, Brapeni. 0551. Okay, Ebusia Yama. Okay, Ebusia Yama.
Any other?
Sure. We doing the same. I can say free him.
Sure, you're from Nancy.
Okay.
Yeah, bomber basso. Ewo mujuma mudi. Na minshira mo pa. Na minshira mo. Esa to studio. Yeah, that Brako proprietor ase. Any teachers phoning na edomu na. Mr. Nim. Na minshira pa. Oh. Juma, and now may who say, oh, boy, Juma pa. It's Mr. Nim, Jaduma mini, so what's the main car? You see, I mean, shroud.
Okay.
Hello.
Ebusia Yama. Hello, what's the main car?
I'm a tonka.
The car Yamba, Benjamin Susani and Dachi. Yama.
Any and Dachi.
The patro yeti.
I'm Jessica's father.
Oh, okay.
Talking from Committee 6.
All right. What do you have to say?
Let me commend this Kunuma, all and sundry. Maybe the Banba just 3 years. And I own him the left and right. But Sister Shania, we say, I bet you I'm a public name. And to me recommend that the school is really one of the best schools in town. And people should actually come around. Amo logo no crash said the best among the rest.
Okay, yeah, that's a pa. Okay. It was sorry for last two callers. 0551. Yes, Yama. Ebusi me catch you who feel cast of no Yama.
Hello.
Yes, Yama. Yo. Me patch you in the Sanaka free him.
But Mr. Bushel, na make us free committee 6.
Okay, me patch you meeting.
The media in Corano Maya, the Papa, the Brako School teachers, and they provide them as a bomb in Papa. Ewo edumasoa amoye ho school ho me mamie no e kan Audrey ene Jocelyn
okay
dem say obopefia ni omo ye kraya na me wanwa the teachers ne bom ho modern pa je be say that wo obi amone ho modern so ne ba Brako School Complex e committee 6 na obre enye kwade biada be that
yo yes yeah that's pa yes yeah that's ebusi atemenka yamma. Okay, 0551 683333. Ebusia Yama. Yama. Me pacho Yama baje me so sani and dachi Yama.
Sani ya dachi.
Yo, we didn't baby akase free.
And pacho me dindi male soa. Me kasa free odan committee 6. Why junction also.
Okay.
Pacho me share Brako School for Michelle crying. Our program now,
okay.
Maybe my father be a near day, Loris idea about her. Ama Aparano, Ablai, Hamami.
Okay.
It's in an Yajupa, wa baby. Only in the Ama where radio stations. Until anybody obviously of a man and Carfun Seni Adjumons with me, she be been so on crying. I want no more.
Yo, me patcho ya that's a pa. It was your time in car, Yama.
Any and that.
But your children who kasa fidie no ho na kasa. Why?
Me pacho you. Pacho me din de gloria God.
Okay.
Me kasa free come to school.
Me tie wa.
Me bani Michelle be so mensa. Any Manuel. Brako School Complex here. They are the best and among the rest are past. Omo yade, omo bibi omo ye bia efe. Na de ni che kra se omo pon no mesiesie nkola no. We say ye wo that papa bi e wo man Ghana. Erade emwa school na entimi enyi na ensi obia.
Okay, me da say. Ebusia ya ma.
Any and that.
Pacho din the sena kasa free he.
Pacho from is blessing me can say come.
Okay.
Me nyane Manuel.
Okay.
Na me pesa me go to self for na baso fa. If so my adi baby, and can find me say me any test for me na. Yes, I said I'm first fight chess na. So what is our school we now we training mo fa na mo we me sia bibia. Me da mo ask.
Yes, yeah, that's pa. Ebusia ya ma. Last caller. Yo, Pacho din is an
Hello. But from a diner, we can search community take.
Yes, your diner.
The boy and my friend, you know, but for my idea, me money for nursery up here, and I do for you up here. Teach up on it, I'm going show.
Okay. Yo, yes, so yeah, that's it. Ebusia ya ma, any and that you do me, dear, near the basum.